Hey, it's Jesse. I'm here at the Natural Salon in Victoria, British Columbia. Today I'm going to show you a Channing Tatum inspired kind of crop, fade up the sides, texture on top. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So if you like this video and you want to see more, let me know down below. Okay, so my brother came in today. He's got like porcupine hair. It's like chia pet. It just grows out like this. I've got thick hair. It's curly. His is like poker straight, slightly wavy, and that's why I thought it was the perfect hair for Channing Tatum. Channing Tatum's got that kind of slight wave pictured here somewhere, and it's just like very, very short. I took it a lot shorter than Channing Tatum just to kind of show you what I did. Somebody in the salon taught me a very, very valuable trick. Take a pair of trimmers, cut all along here, and try to stay low, because if you go higher, you have to shave right to that line. Once you cut the line, you gotta fix the line, and that's where it makes it fun. So shave up to the line. He kind of looks like a modern day hipster, and then your idea is you got to get rid of the line. So I did scissor over comb to kind of like blend it so it's a little bit easier. If it's super thick, I find you can't find the wedge to kind of pull up when you're using a pair of clippers. So I take it with scissors, kind of fade up, so then that way I don't take it too high, and it's a nice blend. Then you take the clippers, you wind them down so it's like on the no guard, so it's about that deep, and you just slowly start to go over, just all the way throughout it, and you just keep on blending that line. On top, I just did point cutting. He's got really, really thick hair, and I went shorter to longer. Styled it with a gel, put some textured Numa all natural hair care products in, blow dried it back, so instead of his hair going forward, it goes back and up, and voila.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. if I'm gone.